Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford Bronco Sport Heritage. Coming in this nice Cactus gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 1.5-liter engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the Heritage Convenience Package. Taking a look at the back here, we do got a dual exhaust, tow hitch, we do got rear park sensing, the nice whiteout Bronco logo. You got a powered lift gate that you can just open from there. Got a lift glass as well, which allows you to have easier access to your storage. We do have a nice white top to this vehicle, as well as roof rails, the nice heritage decal that goes across the vehicle. We got these nice white rims, as well as blind spot detection, the Bronco logo right here, and we got the red Bronco logo on the front with that nice grille. And taking a look in the back here, we do get plenty of storage space. You do get cargo mats that you can put up on the seats here and down there. Got storage on each side. You got 12-volt little hooks, LED lights. You can lift this up for extra storage with your full-size spare tire. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice heritage cloth interior, which is blue. You got blue and red stitching, this nice design. Plenty of door space in the back with the red and blue on the doors. You do got your own fans, 2 USB-Cs, and of course if you don't need that extra person in the back, you do get cup holders and some arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats and the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. We do have plenty of door space in front and the same leathering we saw in the back there. Got your liftgate and lights all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 49.3 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-up steering wheel, toggle for your screen, voice, phone, and media, volume mute, and cruise control. And looking at our screen here, we do have our trip 1 and 2. You have My View, driving assist, navigation, audio, phone, information about the vehicle, which you can go through your seatbelts and all that fun stuff, and so on and so forth. To my right, we have our gear select, parking brake, auto hold, your go modes, which do include normal, eco, sport, slippery, and sand. To my right, we got the cup holders, wireless charging pad, USB and USB-C, and a 12-volt. Leather-up center console with tons of storage with 2 USB-Cs. You got your climate controls with dual climate, heated front seats, nice little storage cubby here with nice white accent, your engine start, storage in the glove compartment, and above me we do have our features for our moonroof, which does provide excellent lighting for the vehicle, and we do get a garage door transmitter. Looking here, we have our navigation, what station you're currently on, what phone's connected, you get a Wi-Fi hotspot. For your audio, you do get Sirius XM capabilities, you have your auto stop and auto start, and hazards here. Got your phone, your navigation. Any apps you may have downloaded will show up right here with your Sirius XM travel link. You can figure out the weather, road conditions, all that fun stuff. And your settings will be right here with your FORDPASS and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is RF59988, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.